So hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download MSI motherboard driver. So first you have to come this site www.msi.com, this official website, so you can download a driver and then click, then right hand side you can see this is search icon. Then enter the model number and then hit enter. Then you can see this is first B850 gaming plus Wi-Fi 6E, and then click on support. By default select a driver and download, then click to on driver, click on driver. After that select operating system Windows 10 and 11, so both operating system installations process same. And this is chipset, and which is set driver, click to download. You can see it is start downloading the download box, and then VGA driver. So VGA driver, graphic driver, display driver, you can say same name, but this is graphic which onboard graphic. Okay, and click to download. Then LAN driver. So this is Ethernet driver for using the LAN. This is Wi-Fi download, and this is a Bluetooth driver and download. So those three driver is required. Now you can see always use the latest driver. Then the audio driver. So this is audio driver and click to download. After that you can see click to download icon and then click on show all downloads. Then you can see. So final guys, downloaded or required driver. So now we have to install one by one. So first Wi-Fi driver, double click to open Intel Wi-Fi driver, and then open UWD, open Win64, and then you can see installer and wireless setup. Just double click to launch. It will extract, and now it will start background installations, and then next I agree that this is term and conditions, and then install. Click for yes, so require the administrator rights for the installations, so just click for yes. It will take some time and depend about your system. So you can see install has been successfully, installation has been completed successfully, and then click to finish and then close. Now you can see this is Bluetooth driver, so just double click to open same, open this folder Intel Bluetooth driver, and then you can see the Intel. I just double click to launch for this setup and wait few seconds to open. Now you can see the preparations of Bluetooth wireless, and then next same, click to yes and click to next. Now so I already installed it, that's why it's coming. So you just click to typical and then click to install. Now you can see there is status will be start. Then also required this yes or no for the administrative installation, so click on yes. Now you can see it is started. Now you can see completed the Intel wireless Bluetooth, and then finish, close this. Then guys, network driver. So network driver, just open it, open, and this is driver, you can see. Okay, so we need to this click on setup.exe, then for yes, then next to installed. Okay, so it is installed automatically. Then yes and finish. Then guys, next, this is Realtek audio driver, so open this, Open, scroll down, find out setup, double click to launch, then click to yes. Next, next, then click no, and then finish. Then close it. Then next, you can see the VGA driver, display driver, graphic driver. You can say so. Double click on board graphic. So then open this. Then you can see this is graphic, and this all driver requires software also in there. Okay, so back and installer.exe. So double click to launch. Click on yes. Now the Intel graphic driver installing, it will work in the background in the CMD command. So you can see the please wait. So might be it will take two time to installations, because you can see this is size is very high. Bring install, completing data, and you just next to, and you need come this process to done. Okay, and then close it. Then chipset driver, double click to open. You can see Intel chipset driver, double click to launch for .exe. Then next, accept, install, and then click for yes. Now you can see this is installing. So successfully installed and then finish. After all completed, then guys restart your system and then check it. Okay.